Okay guys, this is the real snowfall at past 10. So this is from the front of the house. This is my wine to get sleepy because it's cold. So from there and there, see the bread instead put in the fridge. And there, see the snowfall from the roof. This is one of our vlog content for today because for tonight, see the snowfall in the trees from my playground, the basketball court, up to the parking lot. See all the vehicles in the front of the house. My service van, my son, my two service van plus a toy green van. So this is our vlog content. See the road. See, it's all white from the roof, from the tree, from the vehicle. Still falling down until in the 7 to 8 in the morning. So continuing overnight, maybe how many centimeters the snowfall in the street. So this is our black content. Oh, see the street in the road, white roof, white road. Okay, even the stair in the house in the front. See, it's all white. So subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel, The Weather Updated. Okay? So we start until tomorrow 7 to 8 p.m. until continuing Friday and Saturday. Okay? So only to 20% in the morning, 7 to 8 in the morning. So much better list is not a freezing rain, is a normal snow only. Okay, snow all only. Okay, so instead going put in the fridge or in the freezer, so you have lots of space. I put in the top of the garbage. Okay, my wine. So a couple of minutes after drink this, it's just nice to sleep. Okay. Nobody's here, so subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys. That's all. And that's all, guys.